We all want to get PR from our favorite brands and it feel like Christmas every time we open a mailbox, but we all got to start from somewhere. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to get free products from brands so that you can use it to build up your portfolio, so that way you can eventually get onto that brand's PR list and eventually hopefully land a paid collaboration with them. This is episode 4 of my 8-part series, Effortlessly Paid, where I show you how I make money as a small creator and how you guys can do it too. If you missed the first 3 episodes of the series, definitely check out this playlist. I show you how I got paid $300 for a 17-second video with less than 700 followers on Instagram, how I secured my first paid UGC deal and how much that was, and how to make money through affiliate marketing as a small creator, because if you know, you know it's a jungle with the affiliate marketing. So there's lots of good information to get caught up on, and we have a bunch more videos. We're only halfway throughout the series. We have 4 more videos left for you guys to get all this information. So first, we're going to get into my favorite apps to get free products. I'm going to talk about my favorite 2 apps, but I do have more apps in my free creator guide. I'll have it linked down below. It's completely free. So my top 2 apps are going to be Social Cat and Skeepers. If you watch any episode from this series, you know me and Social Cat go together real bad. On Social Cat, you can receive gifted, paid, and affiliate collaborations. And on Skeepers, you can only receive gifted collaborations. With both apps, you have to link your social media. I don't quite remember the requirements. If there are any requirements, I will put them on the screen. So over on Skeepers, that's where you're going to find your more mainstream brands. That's where you're going to get your makeup collaborations, like mainstream makeup. I got a milk collaboration, fragrance collaboration, bunch of those different stuff. And then on Social Cat, it's going to be, you can do products and like clothing and hair products, but those are going to be more like small brands, mom and pop shops, just more, I don't want to say locally, but just not as big brands that are going to be on Skeepers for sure. So with both apps, you have to apply to be a part of the campaign, be a part of the collaboration, and to get the product. Skeepers is a little bit different. They do let you send a little bit of a message. I do recommend you putting some sort of message in there. Don't leave it blank. Anyone that I have left blank, I have not received it. Or I think I've maybe gotten like 1 or 2, but it was very much within my niche. It was food related. So with both platforms, you have to apply to be a part of the campaign, to get the product, to work with the brand. But with Skeepers, you get to send a little bit of a message to the brand to explain just why they should pick you for the campaign over the next candidate. I would highly recommend you to go to ChatGPT. I would highly recommend you go over there and just say, hey, I am applying to work with this brand on Skeepers. Type me a message. I think there's a character limit. I would say type me a message with this max characters. Tell them the value that I bring to them from them working with me. You know? So anything simple like that. Just show what I can bring to them. Why should they pick me for this product? Anything along those lines. So now you're on the apps. Should you take every free product that you're offered? Absolutely not. So you only want to choose products that align with your content and with your brand. If you make cleaning videos, there's no reason that you need to be applying for a mascara campaign, because you make cleaning videos. Why are you applying to a beauty campaign? You know, it'll be different if you do like all types of content, but do stuff that aligns and makes sense for your content, because you're going to have to post this content on your page, and if it doesn't do well, that's messing up your engagement for your entire page. It makes your page look bad. Your audience is going to be like, girl, why are you talking about mascara? Go clean the toilet. I have a checklist in my free creator guide. I'll have it linked down below. It just helps you really just make sure that the brand aligns with you before you apply to work with them. You really want to make sure that you align with the brand, because we're not just making content just to make content. Like I said, we're getting these products so that we can build our portfolio. And we're getting these products so that we can make content to post on our page. We want to post consistently. We want to post as often as possible. And if these products are going to give us more content to post, why not do that? So we want to make sure that it's content that we can post and that makes sense to post, and it's not just, like I said, you make cleaning videos and you're talking about foundation. So once you have your free products, we want to make sure that we're maximizing our opportunities, because I don't know if y'all noticed or not, but you are required to pay taxes on those free products that you received. That was technically the way of the brand of paying you, and you have to pay taxes on that money, that product. I do quotation marks, but I'm very serious. So not only are you creating content for the brand and for you to post on your page, I also want you to create a portfolio with this content so that you can use it to get into UGC, or if any brand reaches out to you, or you reach out to a brand to work with them, you have the portfolio and the analytics and the data to back up why you're asking for this free collaboration, why you're asking for this paid collaboration, why you're asking for X amount of dollars versus X amount of dollars. You know, you want to be able to prove and back yourself up. If you watch episode 2 of this series, you know that I missed out on money because I didn't have a portfolio. If I would have had a portfolio, I would have got paid more money. So don't be like me. Don't leave money on the table, and make sure that we're not skipping a step. We're doing everything the way that we need to do it, and we're just not taking the easy way out. If you guys want a dedicated video on how I make my media kit and my portfolio, just let me know, because that's not one of the videos of this series. I wasn't sure if y'all wanted to see that. So yeah, free products are exciting, but it's also a way for you to build your portfolio as a content creator. But the goal isn't just to collect a bunch of products. The goal is to create dope, high engaging content that makes the brand notice you. It makes a brand want to work with you. It makes a brand want to pay you for this content. And you want to just show that, yeah, I make content. Big content creator, not the little one. So I want you guys to be intentional with the products you accept. I want you to use every opportunity as a possibility to build your portfolio. Use this opportunity to sharpen your skills. Give every project 100% so that you can show brands why you need to be getting paid for this content. It's not a discussion. If anything, the discussion is only how much. You want to show brands why they should work with you, why they need to work with you, why they need to be a part of whatever it is that you're doing. If this video helped you, drop a comment down below and grab your free creator guide. There's more apps that I did not touch on this video that you can get products from. These are only just my favorite 2, but there's a bunch of different apps that you can use. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll see you guys in the next episode, where I'm going to show you guys how to get free food from restaurants if you're a food content creator. So definitely make sure you don't miss that video. I'll see you guys in my next one.